Hi, today we'll unbox and take a look at this beautiful Bluetooth speaker, one you won't be ashamed to place in your living room. This is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 portable Bluetooth speaker. It is designed for home use and does not have an IPX rating like other speakers that you can simply throw into a pool without any consequences. This one is more intended for garden gatherings or indoor use in the living room. In the box, you get a user manual, which is actually useful because it explains how to get started and how to use the main features. You also get a very high-quality, soft AC power cable for charging the speaker. And yes, this is not a standard Bluetooth speaker that can be charged with a phone charger. It requires an AC power outlet. The good thing is that the AC cable is very long, much longer than what you usually get with most equipment. Of course, inside the box you'll also find the speaker itself, very well packaged. And that's everything included. As you can see, this is not an ugly plastic box like many party speakers. It's a pleasure not only for your ears, but also for your eyes. Perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee and some nice music during your morning routine. All necessary features can be controlled using the buttons on the top of the speaker. You can also adjust the bass and treble directly on the speaker, each with 3 levels. A cool feature is that you can simultaneously connect multiple audio sources and use them at the same time. A nice bonus is that this speaker can also be used as a power bank to charge your devices. And the cherry on top is the mobile app, where you can rename the speaker, use preset EQs, fine-tune the sound to your liking, and update the firmware. If my grandmother buys me one more speaker, I'll definitely test true stereo sound with a pair. That would make a very nice sound system. Next time, I'll definitely do a full sound and bass test without the grill to see how powerful and good this speaker really is.